why Dubai is the perfect place to kickstart your new career and live your best life. Dubai isn't just a city, it's a hub of possibilities with so many industries booming are here, from finance to tech or to hospitality. There is a job for everyone, whether you are fresh graduate or a seasoned professional. Dubai has something to offer. So let's talk about the lifestyle. Dubai's infrastructure is top notch with amazing public transport, world class healthcare, and the school that cater to everyone's needs. Everything you need for a comfortable life right there. But what really sets Dubai apart is its diversity. People from all over the world call this place home, making it a melting pot for cultures and ideas. Whether you are into trying to new foods, learning about different traditions, or just meeting new people, Dubai has it all. And when it comes to having fun, Dubai knows how to deliver. From shopping at some of the world's most luxurious malls to chilling at breathtaking beaches, there is never a dull moment here. Plus, with thrilling deserts, adventures, and amazing dining experience, your weekend will always be packed with excitement. Don't just take my word for it. Hear from people just like you have made Dubai their home and found success beyond their wildest dreams. Their stories prove that anything is possible in this city. So, what are you waiting for? If you're ready to take the next step in your career and live your best life, Dubai is the best place to be. Come join us and be a part of something truly extraordinary. Your adventure starts now. So, contact us at our dedicated number. As you know, Kindle provides all kind of PRO services in UAE. If you have any kind of question, if you have any kind of suggestion, you can contact us or you can mention us in the comments or you can follow us if you like our content. Thank you.